Picture a canvas of monotonous green under an artificial sun. Rows upon rows of pale corn husks sway in a breeze laced with chemicals. This is not the vibrant and diverse farm of yesteryears, but the American cornucopia of today, brimming with a sterile bounty. Farms have been morphed into factories, their output laced with pesticides. These toxic lullabies seep into the soil, silencing the whispers of life. Our food, once a symphony of flavors, now dance to an unnatural rhythm as genetically modified organisms. Step into the supermarket, a sterile cathedral under artificial light. Aisle after aisle brims with these pale imitations of sustenance, their packaging whispering lies of health. The bounty of the land, once a celebration of life, now bears the bitter fruit of disease, sacrificed at the altar of profit. This is the sterile symphony of plenty, a hollow promise of nourishment. The question remains, are we content to consume the silence,